And this is the fourth and final video from the Dorflinger Factory Museum, May 29th and 30th, 2021. I have a pair of 643, aka Cobweb wine goblets with faceted knobs. They are $95 each. Classic strawberry diamond and fan water carafe. Great quality. It is only $45. Is an 8-inch, it's a 9-inch bowl in Dorflinger's 99 pattern. Very collectible pattern. It is $4.75. And 4 sherries in star and diamond pattern. That's a really desirable pattern. That has the Sultana type windows, and the 4 are $2.40. Wonderful water carafe in pattern 293 by Dorflinger. Great cutting, great blank. It is $125. The classic pointy stopper heavy decanter cut in heavy flute, and that is $7.95. The stopper is incredible. It's about 4 inches long, has the air bubble. This is a really great and rare pattern. It is Oriental by Dorflinger. The rim sort of undulates. It's a very heavy, very thick blank, hobstar center, really deep cutting, great wood polish. This is one that you'll almost never see, and this is a big, large example. It is $7.95. 9-inch low bowl in brilliant pattern by Dorflinger. The rim on this one also undulates. It's $3.95. Seldom seen pattern is Marathon by Dorflinger. This is a deep bowl, 9 inches in diameter, great blank, well cut. It is $4.75. Parisienne water carafe. It is $2.45. And great pattern, great blank, the pointy stopper decanter in Montrose. Wonderful piece. It is $17.95. Beautiful golden amber wine stem in strawberry diamond and fan. Very early piece, very rare color. And that's a nice buy at only $3.95. Classic 18-inch tall Elfrida corset vase. Very well cut, heavy blank, deep miters, nice quality. And it is $24.95. One of my favorites is this flared rim punch bowl in Dorflinger's 99. It's 14 inches in diameter. Blank is impeccable. The cutting is precise. Just a wonderful example of Dorflinger, kind of the ultimate if you are a Dorflinger collector. This would be a good piece to have. And 99 is a wonderful pattern. The king really adds a lot of brilliance to the design. It is $32.50. So wine, cranberry cut to clear, wine stem in punties and raised diamond with the colored foot and the faceted knob. Great quality piece, early also, and it's $3.95. The very desirable Chester pattern, really wide, really deep miters, wonderful cutting on an excellent quality blank. It's $3.25. I have 4 of the Renaissance cranberry cut to clear wine stems. Very hard to find colored Renaissance, and they are a nice buy at only $3.50 each. 1/1 rated 8-inch diameter bowl in Sultana. One of my favorites again. Excellent quality, has the window effect in the cutting, and that is $7.95. Another example of Renaissance is this wine set. Has the matching handled and unhandled decanters. 6 wine goblets, and the entire set is only $9.95. This is a beautiful wine stem, cranberry cut to clear in royal pattern. It's $5.50. You'll seldom see that. Cranberry cut to clear strawberry diamond wine, and it is only $75. Here's a pair of ship's carafes. They are $3.95, cut in the Russian pattern. Always a favorite. tall pitcher in number 50 design. Very nicely done sterling mounted top, and it's pattern cut in hob diamond on the handle, which adds a lot to the piece. It's another Elfrida vase, same blank as the large 18-inch, and this is only $3.95, and it's 12-inch. This was purchased as Dorflinger, and it's the fingers pattern, which was also done by Stevenson Williams. It is green cut to clear, has a gold wash sterling rim, and it is $17.50. 10-inch diameter plate in a variation of Marlborough. Great blank, great cutting. It's only $2.95. A pair of $2.93 water goblets, super quality, faceted knobs, Hobstar base, and those are $95 each. So Russian pattern snake handle decanter. Really nice example, pattern cut handle. It's cut in hob diamond, and it is $7.95. Miniature beer mug, cut in the Russian pattern, also called a lemonade, and it is $3.25. There's a large fan vase cut in Dorflinger's willow pattern, and it is $14.95. Another snake handle decanter, it's cut in Marlborough. Excellent blank, pattern cut handle, snake handle, and it's a really good example, $7.95. Another bone dish in Russian, clear button hobs, and it is $2.75. There's a 9-inch diameter plate cut in New American, and it is $3.95. Now we have a great array of humidors. The large size, the 100 cigar humidor in Chester is $12.50. Same large size honeycomb as shown in the Feller book, $11.95. Same large size, all flute, that's only $4.95. Another large one cut in the colonial pattern, and it's a nice buy at $8.50. It also has a pattern cut handle, as does the Chester and the honeycomb. And the last large one is the classic Marlborough pattern, again with the pattern cut knob, and it's $11.75. Very desirable, pictured in Dorflinger literature. And here's a slightly smaller Renaissance humidor with the pattern cut lid. It is $3.25. Here's a rare find, 1/1 rated Sultana pattern oil lamp or kerosene lamp. Beautiful silver plate pot and pattern cut matching globe. It's about 15 or 16 inches tall, I think. It's $12,500. A really rare piece is this Savoy pattern trumpet vase. It's $8.95. It's shown in the catalog with this unusually cut foot. I've only seen 2 of these. Nice Flemish jug pitcher by Dorflinger in Parisienne, and that's got a pattern cut handle, and that's a really good buy at only $5.75. Is the pattern 483, aka Van Dyke, wine goblets, fluted stem, starburst base, cranberry cut to clear, almost ruby cut to clear actually, and those are $2.75 a piece. It's a really early, great leaf form, cut in quarter diamond by Dorflinger, and I've never seen this piece before. It's $4.95. Nice 6-inch rose bowl cut in Lorraine, and it is $3.25. And here's a small pitcher cut in Russian, clear button hobs, and that's only $3.25. This is an early rose bowl cut in hob diamond, with a large hob diamond, I should say, and it is $1.85. A willow basket, handled basket, double punty cut handle, step cutting along the bottom. That's a very good example of Dorflinger that one won't find very often. It is $14.95. Another example of quarter diamond are these wines, fluted and notched stems, star cut base, and they are $4.95 each. Large bell-shaped decanter, pattern cut stoppers, cut in heavy flute. This one's $12.95. And this one is heavy flute and bead with triple miter cutting, pattern cut stopper. It's only $8.95. Here's a gold colored bowl, clear stem, wine attributed to Dorflinger. It had a Dorflinger handwritten label that must have been from 50 years ago, and it is $7.95. There are two Old Colony flared tumblers. They are very difficult to find, and they are $1.25 each. Another three-part set has the ramekin, the whole underplate, and the holder, and that set is $3.25. It's cut in block diamond. Excuse me, Claret wines. They are a cross of fine diamond and rings. Pattern number 147 in the Laternus books. There's one cranberry at $3.25, two ambers at $3.45 each, and two green at $3.25 each. Here's a small flared cordial in Marlborough. It's $65. Hard to find a flat tray in Marlborough. This is a 12-inch diameter, super heavy, very deeply cut. It's $13.95. I have a pair of raised diamond and punty wines. These are the same as the cranberry ones we saw earlier. They're a gold color or golden amber. Beautiful color. They are $3.95 each. Block diamond spooner by Dorflinger. These are difficult to find, and it is $95. That's a very early piece. Pattern 643, aka Cobweb, a unique water carafe. That's a different blank than typical. It's $2.75. This is a really rare pattern, heavy flute and star band, and it's a wide base jug, phenomenal hobstar base, flute and beaded or notched rather handle, stunning blank, $6.95. Very rare shape, very rare pattern is this pattern number 4, 9-inch, vase. Very well cut, shown exactly in the line drawings. Beautiful amber or gold, more amber I guess, hob diamond wines. I have two, they are $3.95 each. 10-inch diameter, low bowl in New American by Dorflinger. Great bells, Marlborough is $5.95, pattern cut handle. Another Marlborough, which is $4.95 with the pattern cut handle. Colonial bell with a pattern cut handle is $5.95. One of my favorites, and I also have it in my personal collection, green cut to clear rose bowl in Marlborough.